a group of throat cancer survivors expressed concern that the President Aquino's coughing throughout his State of the Nation address may be due to his smoking habits. Emer Rojas, President of New Voice, Association of the Philippines, and a global cancer ambassador, took notice that Aquino had to pause and cough during his nearly 2-hour speech before lawmakers on Monday. Health advocates, including Philippine Medical Association Vice President Leo Olarte, have since urged the president to quit smoking. Malacanang had said that President Aquino is not ready to quit his habit.